Assalamu alaikum. Today we will be making brownies. I've tried and tested many brownie recipes and this one is the most favorite one. My children love it all. So what we need to start with, we need to first of all prepare the dish that we are going to break the brownies in. I lined it with an aluminium foil. This is the dish I'm going to use. You can use a smaller or a bigger tray depending on your quantity and your choice. And I lined it up with the foil, and one more thing I did over here, I oiled it. That's very important. Do not forget to oil the base and the sides of your dish, so the brownies that you prepare do not get stuck. Second thing we need to do before you start with the ingredients and preparing the batter is preheat your oven 175 degrees centigrade before you start gathering up all the ingredients and starting with the brownies. Let's start with the ingredients. What we need to do, first of all, we need 1 cup butter and that should be melted. We need to have 1 cup of flour, that's plain flour, not self-raising, not cake flour, it's a plain flour. In Urdu we call it maida. Second thing we need is 2 cups of sugar. I prefer to use brown sugar, and if you would like you can use white sugar too. There's not much difference, but I prefer using for brownies. It gives us very specific taste. So you can use brown sugar, you can use sugar, white sugar, or you can even do one thing. You can add 1 cup white sugar and 1 cup shakkar. In the Desi language we use it shakkar. You can use that and it's very good. It tastes very good. Next one, eggs. We'll have 4 eggs. We'll have 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and I have doubled my recipe actually. 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. And what we have over here, brownies have different recipes. Somewhere they use chocolate, melted chocolate, somewhere they use cocoa powder. I will use cocoa powder because I would not like to waste my chocolate over here in this. So cocoa powder, it's 2/3 cups. I have these cups. I have these cups, and there's a 1/3 measurement even. This is a 1/3 measurement. I put 2 of them. It's 2/3 cups of cocoa powder. And then we have 1/4 salt, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and we have half a teaspoon of baking powder. And I added something from my side, that is 1 tablespoon of coffee. So let's start. What we do first of all, we mix up the butter and the sugar. Just avoiding something from, for it to go out, fall out. Takes this form, you can see that. This is all done. You can see that, you can see the color. If you're using white sugar, the color of this batter would be different. Once the sugar and butter are all mixed up, what we do, 4 eggs, pour them in. I'm just making sure that it goes in and it mixes up well. This is done. Now next thing I need to do is pour in vanilla extract. Two teaspoons of vanilla extract. The ingredients that I've already covered, I'm putting it on one side, so there's no confusion about them. little bit mixing. That's it. After this, what I do is 1 cup of flour, this is done. What I feel that this is now less for it. I use this pan so I can pour it out easily, but no, it's not enough. What I'm going to do, I'm going to mix it in this pan. Next thing, cocoa powder, another one. What we need to do is baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, that's done. And one more thing, a tablespoon of coffee. That's my personal addition. I like the taste of chocolate and coffee together. So what I'm going to do, 1 tablespoon of coffee with your easy hands. Let's mix it. You can see the consistency, you can see the color. Now the batter is ready. At this point, what you can do, you can add chocolate chips if you would like. If not, the brownies alone are also very good. Let's start. Let's see. If you don't have a beater at home, you can use a hand mixer. Doesn't make any difference. I just save time and energy by using a beater, electric beater. See, sort spread. What I'm going to do, I'm going to layer up with chocolate ganache, but if you would like, you can place in some or add in some chocolate chips or nuts. You can add walnuts, you can add anything you would like. That's your choice. Just a little bit like this, and then we place it in the oven. Here's my oven. I'll place it in the center. The temperature would stay the same, but the timing differs from oven to oven, electric or gas or something like that. The most important thing is It's ready when you place a screwer in and it comes out dry. This means that it's done. Assalamu alaikum. Meanwhile, the brownies are in the oven and we can smell them very tasty. What I'm going to do, you can decorate them with the chocolate ganache, or you can decorate with the cocoa powder. What I'm going to do today, we are going to decorate it with the chocolate ganache. We only need 2 ingredients. We need chocolate chips and we need cream. The biggest problem when I was looking for the recipe of ganache was what kind of cream to use. Not the cooking cream, we can use whipping cream or we can use the thick cream. Any one of the two. What I do when I have small projects, little bit quantity, I use this cream. But when I have a bigger projects, I have to decorate a whole cake. What I do, I use this cream, but I don't use the whole pack. I don't need the whole pack. What I've done, now there are 2 ways of making chocolate ganache. If you have a bigger quantity to prepare, what we do, we heat the cream in a saucepan on the stove, and before it boils, we turn off the stove. But if it's this much of quantity, before even it boils, it heats up and it burns. What I do with the small quantity, I just simply heat it up in the microwave. What I've done, it's even. Whatever the quantity of chocolate chip is, the same quantity for the cream. So if my chocolate chips are 1/4 cup, the cream is also 1/4 cup. I heated it in the microwave for like around 30 seconds, 20 seconds. And now I'm going to pour it on the chocolate chips. We leave it for a while, let the cream set in. You can see that. I'm not going to touch it now. Let the cream set in for a few seconds. And once I feel like, yes, it's melting, this is what I'm going to do. And that's it. You can also increase the quantity of cream, but not to double. You can increase the quantity of cream by 1/4, keeping the chocolate same, or you can even go with 50-50. Doesn't make any difference, doesn't make much difference as long as it's on brownies or something like that. Our ganache is ready. Once my brownies are ready, I'm going to pour them on the brownies and then we'll serve them. Okay, done. 5 minutes are gone, everyone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this out. See that? See the texture? You see the sponginess? That's what we want. It's hot. After 5 minutes, I'll take it out of the rack, the dish, and then I'll cool it up on this rack. So here it is. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to take it out of the dish. How am I going to take it out of the dish? I'll place it over here. Dish बहुत गर्म है. And then क्योंकि मैंने ऑयल किया हुआ था एंड इट्स एल्युमिनियम फॉइल, तो मैं आराम से इसको उठा के एंड दैट्स इट। ये हो गया, थोड़ा थोड़ा ठंडा भी हो गया। What I need to do now is to place whatever topping I want on the top, और उसके बाद गणेश आप लोगों के सामने बनाया है। You can put chocolate ganache, you can put chocolate ganache and top it with the walnuts, chopped almonds, और सिर्फ कोको पाउडर ऊपर से छिड़कते हैं, कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। और मेरे बच्चों को ये पसंद है, इसलिए मैं ये चीज़ को लगाऊंगी। एंड यू कैन सी, क्योंकि ये गर्म है एंड इट्स बेटर गर्म के ऊपर ही लगाएं, स्प्रेड इजीली हो जाता है। सी दैट, ऑलरेडी मेरे बच्चों के मुंह में पानी आ रहा है। सी दैट ईज़िली, क्योंकि ये गर्म है इसलिए चॉकलेट गनाश जो है वो ईज़िली स्प्रेड हो रहा है। अगर केक ठंडा होता तो गनाश उसके ऊपर लग के और ठंडा हो जाता और फिर इस तरह ईज़िली स्प्रेड नहीं होना था। ये मेरे बच्चे शौक से चाट जाते हैं। ओके, नाउ व्हाट आई नीड टू डू, मैं हाफ एंड हाफ करती हूँ। व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट ड्रॉ लाइन। आधे को वॉलनट से डेकोरेट करूँगी। आई लव वॉलनट्स विद द चॉकलेट, स्पेशली ऑन ब्राउनीज, दे आर टू गुड। लगाना है लगाएं, नहीं लगाना ना लगाएं, फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। इट्स जस्ट दैट मज़ा आ जाता है, और कोई बात नहीं है। ये हो गया, खुशबू पूरे किचन में फैली हुई है। देयर इट इज़। One part I am going to leave just like that, and one part I am going to decorate it with cocoa powder. Hey ba, मुझे strainer ला के दो। Here it is, as simple as that. चम्मच कर दें, कम कर दें, आपकी मर्ज़ी है। See that? ऐसे छोड़ दें, ऐसे छोड़ दें, ऐसे छोड़ दें, ऐसे छोड़ दें। यहाँ पे तो पाउडर आ गया, पर कोई बात नहीं, फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। इट्स ऑल चॉकलेट। चिल्ड्रन जस्ट लव चॉकलेट। चॉकलेट किसी चीज़ पे भी डाल के दे दें। यू कैन सी दैट ये थोड़ा सा और डालना है, मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा ब्राउन नज़र आ रहा है, but it tastes makes it taste very good, and you can see that from the top. There it is. अब ये है कि हमने तकरीबन 15-20 मिनट इंतज़ार किया। मीनवाइल आई वॉश डिशेस एंड क्लियर्ड अप ऑल व्हाटएवर मेस वाज अराउंड। तब तक ये थोड़ा ठंडा हो गया। एंड नाउ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू कट इट इनटू स्क्वायर्स। सी दैट चॉकलेट की वजह से इसके साथ सब चिपकता हुआ आ रहा है। Okay, this is how you can cut them out. You can see the one without any topping other than the chocolate ganache and walnut, and chocolate ganache and cocoa powder. Baking time, I am going to repeat it. Baking time may differ from oven to oven, temperature to temperature, is it gas oven or is it a cooking range or is it an electric oven? This will change the duration. Temperature will stay the same. It's 175. Keep it 175 degrees centigrade. If your oven reads Fahrenheit, you can convert it on Google and check it what 175 is equal to. Rest of the timing, this will take between 20 to 30 minutes. Mine was baked in 20 minutes, maximum till 30, not more than 30, not less than 20.